Hello and welcome back to beenTHEREmate. Today's video is none other than, you can see just behind me here, we're at the Splash Park Hotel located in Alton Towers. So we're going to have a quick little overview here of this hotel. If you watched my previous video, we're actually staying next door at the Alton Towers Hotel. But we're going to give you a quick overview, like I said, in case you do want to stay here as well. Sorry if I sound out of breath, I've literally just run to the hotel. Our breakfast is due in 15 minutes. I'm trying to quickly record this video before we go for our breakfast. So yeah, Splash Park, let me just rotate it and we'll talk as we go. First thing you've got as you enter is this nice little water feature here. This does drip water all day long, but it doesn't activate until I think after 7. We're recording this at around 6:45, so yeah, it turns all on soon. If you watch my previous video, as I said, this is the better hotel, I think, for smaller children. You've got a bigger arcades, you've got children's entertainment in this one as well. And of course, if you're like us, we spent Alton Towers Park yesterday, around the theme park, and then today we're going to the water park. So really nice and pretty in this hotel. Got a little game there. You got your check-in reception desk here just to your right. You do normally have a little fish tank here, but it looks like it's empty and there's no fish in there right now. Little aquarium. You've got a little shop here, which doesn't open until 9 o'clock. Convenience store, if you can see that. Merchandise, sweets, ice cream, usual stuff like that. If you want to get your children hyper on some more sugar. So as you can see from this hotel, you can actually see access to the water park, which we'll try and do a separate video on this later today. So yeah, you can see the water park from the hotel. So let's just turn around. Another ping pong game. So this here upstairs is where the main entertainment is at night. So this little stage here is where they had the kids mini disco and the adults evening entertainment quiz, and I think they did bingo or something like that last night. So that's located there. And you've got your main bar here, which you can get late night pizzas, Costa coffee and drinks from, etc. here. And then you've got a smoking area located just outside there. We're now going to head back downstairs, which is where the buffet is, and the kids arcade and entertainment. So we'll go and have a little look at those, shall we? As you can see, some of the water's dripping from here already, very nice. So this is your entrance to your buffet. So here they do all you can eat, just so you can see the prices for tea. Look, in the evening you've got $29.50 an adult. It's very expensive, but it's an all you can eat buffet, so it depends how hungry you are. So that's your price list for in the evening. This is your arcades here, but it doesn't look like they open theirs till later. If you see my other video on the Alton Towers Resort, the arcades here are very big. There must be about 40-50 machines in there. Can I go in? No, I don't think you can. It's fully shut. Look, 8 o'clock it opens. Yeah, it's locked. But there are lots of arcades in there with tickets, you know, where you can actually exchange your prizes for with tokens and that sort of stuff. A few grab machines there, toilets, and then you've got rooms literally headed in that direction. And then this just takes you down to the water park itself, and that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. And the name of this restaurant is Flambeau's Jambos. I don't think we have missed anything else here. Got a nice little water area here, look. Yeah, this hotel's a bit smaller because it doesn't officially have a grounds as such, because the grounds is the actual water park. But yeah, for little children, entertainment's better here, arcades are much better. There's some times in case you need to see the timings for everything. Times dinner. From 5 PM you've got the dinner there, look. You've got another arcade there, but it doesn't look like they turn those on either. So yeah, that is everything at the Splash Park Resort in Alton Towers. Hope this video has been useful, ladies and gents. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell notification. Hope this audio is okay because you can hear all the water splashing. Make sure you do check out the merchandise store as well, ladies and gents. Should be activated very soon on the channel, depending on when you're watching this video, as well as the membership perks, because the support is very appreciated and it's what allows this channel to keep growing and us to travel to all these nice places so we can do these videos and give you our honest reviews and feedback on it. So yeah, thanks for watching, ladies and gents, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ta-da.